What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Hammer Dance YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about YouTube Shorts. Now, if you guys don't know what YouTube Shorts are, if you're familiar with TikTok, it's basically YouTube's version of TikTok. Definitely mobile geared, so you basically are allowed to, open up the YouTube app on your phone and scroll through a bunch of short videos. Now, the thing with YouTube Shorts is that they have a much higher potential to go viral, simply because a lot of people are watching shorts. They're very easy to scroll through. Just for example, with the way the algorithm works, let's say you are someone who plays Call of Duty or World of Warcraft, and you watch a bunch of World of Warcraft or Call of Duty videos on YouTube. When you're scrolling through shorts, similar to TikToks, YouTube will be pushing you a bunch of Call of Duty, World of Warcraft shorts, all that kind of stuff. So posting shorts on your YouTube channel actually has a lot of potential to either, go viral or just get a lot of traction in general and, gain you a lot of subscribers and views that you normally wouldn't be getting with your more longer form content. You can also use these shorts to kind of drive views to your long form content. But before we get into this, guys, let's give a shout out and thank you to our sponsor for today's video, Own.tv. Own.tv is the place to go, guys, if you're looking for some fresh new graphics for your stream. Whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook gaming, you'll find something that's a perfect fit for your channel. They offer full themed overlay packages, which are great if you're trying to give your stream a complete makeover. But let's say you're just looking to pick up some new alert graphics. Don't worry, because they've got you covered there too. You could find single graphics such as alerts, banners, panels, and logos as well. And one of the best parts about most of these overlays is that they are completely modular. So if you and your friends all pick up the same overlay, such as this Rodan one right here, you can change the colors and tweak it to match your brand, and none of you will have the exact same overlay. If you guys are looking to take your stream to the next level, be sure to check out Own.tv using my link below to support the channel. Okay, so back to what I was saying, creating YouTube Shorts has a lot of pros behind it. I tested it out by creating one on my channel. I don't have a shorts specific channel. Most of my content is long form educational content on OBS, streaming gear, tech gear, things like that. So I did a test and posted a short, and it actually did really well, and I got a lot of views from it, and it generated a bunch of subscribers, which is really, really awesome. So, my first tip to you guys is going to be that if you are just starting out as a streamer or a YouTuber, whatever you're doing in content creation, definitely experiment with some shorts. And here's the catch. The requirements for a video to be a short on YouTube and be placed on the shorts shelf where people can scroll through a bunch of them, they're very simple, and they are extremely similar to TikTok. So you can kind of take your YouTube shorts and then also upload that same short to TikTok, and now that short video is available on a YouTube short and on TikTok, so you're getting double the views, double the exposure, and who doesn't want that? So let's go over a couple of things. Let's go over the basic requirements for a video to be placed on the YouTube Shorts shelf. So for YouTube to consider your video as a short, it needs to be under 1 minute long, so generally 58, 59 seconds or shorter. I wouldn't go to an actual minute. I would always cap it at 59 seconds just to make sure that it gets placed on the short shelf. And it needs to be in a vertical format. So most people are creating videos in 1920 by 1080, which gives us that 1080p resolution for our videos. You are going to just create videos, either recorded on your phone, or if you're like me and using a camera to record your videos, when you're editing, you can just set up your composition in Adobe Premiere or whatever editing program you're using to be, instead of 1920 by 1080, 1080 by 1920. So that's 1080 by 1920. That'll make it a vertical video, and that will allow it to appear on the shorts shelf. If you go ahead and create videos that are under a minute long and they are not in a vertical format, let's say they're 1920 by 1080, which is widescreen, 16 by 9, that will not get placed on the YouTube Shorts shelf. So vertical format, I suggest 1080 by 1920. And under 1 minute long, I suggest anything under 59 seconds. That is how you're gonna go ahead and create your YouTube Shorts. Now, I'll give you guys an example of what I was doing to create TikToks. So, you guys know my channel here. We talk about streaming tips, tech tips, pretty much anything that revolves around that, that is what we discuss and, you know, analyze on this channel. And what I was doing for a while on TikTok, which I've seen a lot of success with and growth, is, so if you guys look back on my channel, I have my top 10 tips to grow on Twitch, right? So these are 10 tips that I gave you guys on how to grow on Twitch. Now my video on YouTube is, you know, upwards of 8 to 12 minutes long. But you can take that content that you already recorded and already created and just edit it down to 10 videos that are under 1 minute long, and now you have 10 TikToks or 10 YouTube shorts. There's a little bit of controversy behind the fact that YouTube says you don't need to add hashtag shorts in the title or the description for it to be placed on the shorts shelf. However, I do suggest adding hashtag shorts to the title or description of your video on YouTube, just so that your viewers and people who have been followers of your channel already, just so that they know it's a shorts video and that you're not like, you know, reposting old content or anything like that, and they're gonna be like, why is, you know, this is weird looking, like why is it in a vertical format? So for me, any shorts that I do post will be posted with hashtag shorts in the title of the video at the end, so you guys know it's a short. It's not one of my normal long form videos. I do suggest doing that. However, YouTube says you do not need to add that hashtag in the title or description for it to be placed on the shorts shelf. I'm gonna show you guys real quick an example of how to basically set up Adobe Premiere to be able to render out a short and have it recognized as a short in terms of resolution. So here we go. All right, guys, so I'm here in Adobe Premiere, and what I have done is I've set myself up a YouTube Shorts template. So basically, all I really need to do to come in here and make a short is drag my video content in here, and if you can see here, I'll hit play. You guys can see I have my animations pop up. This will be, and the video will be in a little square, just how it is on TikTok or Instagram, in the middle of this. So for example, let me just pull up how you would change the resolution of this to match the shorts resolution. So what you would do is you're gonna go up to sequence and go to sequence settings, and right here where it's giving you the option where this would normally be 1920 by 1080. So let's just, for example, if I do 1920 by 1080 resolution, you guys will see it'll switch to a 16:9 aspect ratio. That will not be considered a short. So we have to go in here and change it to 1080 by 1920. Boom, 9:16. That is a vertical resolution, and that will be able to be considered a YouTube short. Here's an example of a short that I created, the test one that I used on my channel to see if they worked. So I'm just opening it up here in VLC Media Player so you guys can see what it looks like when it's an actual short. It's beautiful. Now you can imagine that's in a vertical format. You're gonna be scrolling through on your phone looking at this. I think it looks great. And to be honest, guys, I really do think shorts are the future of getting your channel out there and getting people that normally wouldn't be able to see your content, getting them to see who you are and potentially subscribe and then watch more of your longer form content. All right, so there is one more thing about shorts that I want to talk to you guys about, and that is thumbnails. Now, when you are scrolling through the YouTube Shorts shelf on your phone or even on TikTok, there are no thumbnails. Thumbnails will not work. Custom thumbnails will not pop up on the Shorts shelf. That's just how it is. However, I still do suggest creating a thumbnail so that your viewers and your subscribers, when they're on your channel, can differentiate between the videos you have uploaded as shorts and your regular long form content. Here's an example of a thumbnail that I made for the short that I released on my channel. Very similar to my normal thumbnails, but as you can see, I added the phone in the middle there with the hashtag shorts above it so that, you know, if you've been a long time subscriber of this channel and used to my regular thumbnails and videos, you know that there's something different about this. And now going forward, any YouTube shorts that I do create will have this phone with the hashtag shorts text right in there in the thumbnail so that you guys know it's a short and it's not one of my normal long videos. But anyways, guys, I really do think shorts can help you all grow. I think it can help you guys get a lot of exposure, and it's just cool because you can take your YouTube shorts and upload them to TikTok and YouTube at the same time to get double the exposure, double the views. You know, everyone wants that. This content creation journey is very competitive and you want all the exposure that you possibly can get. So YouTube shorts, I think, are a great way for anyone, especially people just starting out, to get some exposure. So if you guys have any questions about this, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button That lets me know that you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing to the channel. A lot of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. Hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. All right, guys, that's all from me. I want you to keep those hammers up, and I'll see you next time.